over and over again always.
Right.
The same
Which
pattern.
would be that middle
no matter what.
same.
That's right. Here's what we're looking at, right? This is our lattice, our matrix.
Yeah.
Okay. Show you when, yes, you can make it if you just know. In fact, if you just know 3 numbers, you know everything. Okay. Here's your 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5. That's the pattern that you saw? Okay. And then you said...
You'd make a red one right next to it. You have to make it red, though.
Well, I'm
okay,
just
and then you go 1, 2. The 2 would be up
okay, but watch this. So we know it's... So right here we had a 5, a 7, an 8,
4, 2.
a 4, 2, a 1, a 5. And that's how we make it, huh? Okay. Watch this, though. This is for everyone to understand. You want to make it by just knowing that pattern.
Right.
Every single axis, remember our 3D that's underneath here that I just erased? Our 3D coordinate system, which is the toroid right here, which is explained in this bar. Remember I said the multiplication table? Remember I said it was x, y, z? Here's our 8 and 1's this way, here's our 4 and 5's this way. Okay, let me show you what I mean. I can make this whole thing by just knowing that, by looking at...
oh, yeah.
4, 5. Except 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5. Except the 1, we actually did it backwards. Might as well do it right.
It goes 2, 7, 2, 7.
Let me do this right.
I see.
Together. 2, 7, 2, 7.
Okay, and this would have been 1, 2, 4. This is a 1, 5, 7, 8, 4, 2, 1. We had them going in reverse direction, didn't we? Yeah. Okay. So sure enough, any way you go, it will have to mean something. So we're going to look for the 9. Okay? We have the 9 goes right here. And from any direction the 9, it's going to make the toroid skin.
Why did you choose the 9 right there?
Because the 9's all, that's because I knew if we had 2 numbers here, 7, 8, the next number after it must be 9.
Oh, I see.
And this must be a 1,
yeah.
and this must be a 2, and this must be a 6 then, and this must be a 5.
Okay, right.
So I got units of 1, 4, 5, okay, 6, 7, 8, okay.
3 above that.
Okay, but let's go the opposite direction. Let's say I just have a 9 here, I have a 5 here, I have a 1 here. What must be over here? 6. Perfect. Okay, or let's say I have a 4 here, I have an 8 here. What must be over here?
8.
Exactly right. Okay. And so not only can we figure that this must be a 9 right here because it's 2, 1, 9, but we also know that it would be 3, 8, 4, 9. Okay?
Because 8 and 4 is 3.
Because 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13 is 4, and 4 plus 5 is 9.
Right.
Okay? Or we could have figured it that it was a 9 right here because of the fact that here we have a 7, 8, 9. And if we've gone 6, 9, if we have a 9, we know on the opposite side of a 9, if one side's a 6, it must be a 3 on the other side. So we had 6, 9, 3, and then 3, 9. So again, it would have been a 9.
Yeah.
So any way we approach it, we always know what the number is going to be. 9, 6, 6, 9, 3, and this would have been 3, 9, 6, 6, 9, 3. And we would have had 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and now we got this pattern again. So it's 6, 9, 3, 3, 9, 6, and we got 7, 5, 1, 2, 4, 8, and we can go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can actually count all the way over to here. 2, 1, 9, 8, 7, 6, and now we got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we can go diagonally. We got 8, 4, 2, 1, 5, 7. Or we could have gone, is that right? 5, 1, 6. Let's just fill them all in. 1, 2, 4, 8, 7. So we got, or we can go this way. 4, 8, 3. 4, 8, 7, 5. 7, 8, 6. And, no, can't be 3 6s in a row. 8, 7, 6. 4, 5, 6. 7, 8. Yes, Charlie?
And any 2 diagonals add up to either 7 or 2. Now, I don't know the significance of that. 9, 7 is 16, and 1 is 7. If you start with any...
All of those mean something.
2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7. That's a new polarity. Right?
No, it's not new. That's your z-axis. That's the invisible 9. Your multiples of 7 coming out.
Yeah, but they're all, but 5 and 4 are
Multiples of 9?
But that's a different axis, and you don't get any 5, 4, 5, 4.
But you see, here's the trick, Charlie, and everybody, and it's not a trick. This is why it's so important. 9's your center. Right now, our vertical axis around it is your 8 and 1. They're the first numbers around the 9 vertically. So you can see them vertically. Because you can see the toroid skin vertically. It's not hard.
1 and 8 is a vertical axis around 9. Yes.
8, 1,
yes.
1, 8, 8, 1, 1, 8, 8, 1, 1. It alternates.
Yes.
So you can see the vertical axis of the toroid, okay, that it's 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So you got 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because the first number around 9, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8, so 9, so 1 and 8 is your vertical axis. The reason that you can see them is because they're your vertical axis. And you can see the 5 and 4, okay, because they're your vertical axis, okay, which is 4, 8, 12, okay, 16. What is 4 times 5 is 20, 24, 6, okay, or multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Remember, it was a double coordinate system. The blue is all negative numbers, the red is all positive numbers. That gives you your diagonal, which is how time moves, how the universe moves, of positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. But it's based on a very sophisticated system, okay, of positive and negative really being two coordinate systems. One's your 1 and 8s and 5, and one's your 1, 4, 7s being yellow, and your blacks is your 2, 8, 5s being black. Overlapped, Charlie, together. This is a double coordinate system, which is then how you get to the sides. Negative, positive, negative, positive. Through the sides, negative, positive. Okay? And that's what these colors represent. Okay? Okay, so what did I just do here? This is the coil. Okay? Now, the first strand, as it comes around and comes around back again, this tile right here, let's look at this tile. I'm going to circle the 1, 2, 4, this one right here. See it? Okay. This tile does not occur again on the same axis. It's not easy. Okay, I want to just follow this line. Where is it? It's this one over here. Looks it.